This cocktail is called the Burgundy Bishop. Go ahead and fill your glass up with ice, and we are going to chill these ingredients. We're going to do an ounce of light rum, a teaspoon of powdered sugar, that's probably good, and about 1/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. That'll work right there. Now chill all those together. Now, take your cocktail glass. I am going to use a martini glass because I feel like being fancy. You can do this in a wine glass or you can do it like in a highball glass and strain those ingredients into the glass. On top of that, we are going to pour red wine. Any type of red wine will do. This is sort of like a red wine cocktail. There we go. So, you have rum, lemon, sugar, and red wine. That is your Burgundy Bishop. Cheers.